Hi, I'm Tari Powell, a realtor here in the Atlanta area, and if you're thinking about buying your first home in Georgia, this video is for you. Buying your first home can feel exciting, confusing, and a little bit like everybody suddenly expects you to understand mortgages, inspections, contracts, and closing costs overnight. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of buying your first home in Georgia, from the very first conversation all the way to the day you get the keys. Most buyers think the first step to buying a home is getting pre-approved for a mortgage, but that's actually not the first step. The real first step is hiring the right realtor, because that person becomes the advisor and quarterback of your entire home buying team. And by the way, in this video, I'm also going to show you 3 mistakes first-time buyers make during the process that can cost thousands of dollars. So let's walk through the step-by-step process of buying your first home in Georgia, from the very first conversation all the way to the day you get the keys. Let's get started. Step 1 is hiring a realtor. Think of your realtor as the advisor and quarterback of your team. A good agent guides the entire process and connects you with lenders, inspectors, attorneys, and contractors. Your realtor also helps you understand the local market, avoid common mistakes, and find homes faster. Starting with the right advisor makes the entire process much smoother. Step 2 is figuring out your budget. You want to understand what price range makes sense for your finances. Your monthly payment usually includes mortgage, property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and sometimes HOA fees. Your realtor and lender can help estimate a comfortable monthly payment, not just a maximum one, because the goal isn't just buying a home. The goal is buying a home and still sleeping well at night financially. Step 3 is getting pre-approved with a lender. A pre-approval tells you how much a lender is willing to lend based on income, credit, and employment history. Just because a lender approves you for a certain amount does not mean you need to shop at the top of that range. Your goal should be finding a home where the payment feels comfortable, not stressful. Your future self will thank you. Now comes the fun part. Step 4 is touring homes. Your realtor will help narrow down homes based on your criteria and schedule showings that fit your schedule. Think about location, commute time, home layout, neighborhood amenities, and future resale value. Some buyers find the right home in a week, others take a couple months. Both are completely normal. Once you find the right home, it's time to submit an offer. Your offer includes the price you're willing to pay, your closing timeline, and protections called contingencies. The seller can accept, reject, or counter. Your realtor helps negotiate the best possible terms for you. Next, we're going to talk about the step that protects buyers the most, but it's also the step people misunderstand the most. Let's talk about inspections and why they are such an important part of the home buying process. Step 6, the home inspection. A professional evaluates the roof, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and structure of the home. Here's another mistake. Thinking the inspection is just a formality. It's actually one of your most important protections. Skipping inspections or rushing through them can lead to very expensive surprises later. Step 7, appraisal and loan approval. Your lender prepares your mortgage for final approval. At the same time, an appraiser determines the market value of the home. Here's the key difference. The inspection is for you to understand the condition. The appraisal is for the lender to confirm the value. Once underwriting is complete and everything checks out, your loan is cleared to close. Step 8, closing day. This is when everything becomes official. You'll sign the final paperwork, pay closing costs, and once recorded, the home is yours. Yes, this is the moment when you finally get the keys. But before closing, there's one last mistake, and that's making big financial changes like financing furniture or buying a car. Your lender verifies finances right up until closing, so keep everything exactly the same until the deal is finished. After closing, you can move in right away. Some buyers move the same day, others schedule movers later. Set up your utilities, change locks, and update your address. And just like that, you're officially a homeowner. If you follow these steps and avoid the mistakes we've talked about, the process becomes much smoother. If you're thinking about buying your first home in Georgia and want guidance, I'd be happy to help. I'm Tari, and I have the keys. Subscribe for more videos that help make real estate make sense.